Hey guys, it's Shannon here. We're at Shrine HQ and today I'm going to talk to you about the new Drop It products. I've got Alice here today. She's going to be our lovely model. We're going to talk you through all the products and dye Alice's hair. So let's have a look at all the colours and pick out what we're going to do for you today. So we've got the red.
Yeah.
There's the purple. I think this is my favourite one so far. Actually, I love that shade of it there.
It's like a lilac-y colour.
Yeah. The pink is really nice too though.
Yeah, I would like
that.
to try the pink out.
The peach is cute too. Oh, literally, I like them all. How nice is this blue? Like, look at that shade there. That is so nice. And there's also aqua. So there's literally just so many to choose from. Have you got any favourite ones? Do you know which one you want to be today?
What I'm thinking is, I really love the pink, but I love the peach.
Yeah.
What if we could like mix them together and create like a really nice pinky peach colour? We could do like, it says there's 200 drops per bottle, so we could do like 4 drops of peach and then 5 drops of pink and make it more of a stronger pink tone.
Yeah,
I think we should try that out.
So let's have a look at the box and see how this works. It says, I'm a non-permanent hair colour that you drop into your own conditioner to achieve your perfect shade. And it says, from pastels to deep tones, use the drop chart below to find your desired shade. Simply add the recommended amount of drops into your own conditioner using the bowl inside. Oh, and then it's got like a little chart here where it shows you. So you can do 6 for the lightest, 12 drops, 20 drops, and then 30 for the strongest.
I love that it's got between 6 and 30 drops because there's literally been so many times where I've bought a hair colorant and tried it out and it hasn't even tinted my hair. Like, I've been so disappointed. And if we do this one today and we want it a bit darker, we can just add a few more drops in.
Yeah, it's such a good idea. I love this packaging though, it's so cute. Like, it's no single-use plastic.
Oh my God, what a bonus.
So we've got the leaflet, the instructions, we've got the actual drops. Oh my God, that looks so cute. Oh my God, I love this little brush. And you get a little bowl as well with it. Feel how squidgy it is.
That's cute. I love how bright they are.
I know, it looks so nice. So this leaflet says, using any conditioner, you can fill the measuring bowl to where there's a line indicated on the bowl. Okay, so you can use any conditioner. What have we got?
We've got some Pantene Pro V here. We can use this. Amazing.
Perfect. Okay, now it says, look at the recommended colour chart on the side of the box and we'll decide what shade we're going to go. So that will determine how many drops we put in.
Okay, so if we want to mix 2 colours, I think we keep quantities quite low.
Yeah.
For drops. So maybe if we want it more pink, we'll do less peach. So 4 drops of peach.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah. If we need to add more, we can always add more anyway. So let's put 4 drops in this conditioner.
I think we should add 5 drops of pink.
Oh, look at this.
I know, that looks so good. I think I'm feeling a bit brave. Should we add a few more drops in?
Oh, go on then. How many drops do you think we need?
2 or 3?
Well, if we've added more orange, we might as well put a few more pink in.
How many are you going to put in?
I'll just put 2 in because we've added 2 more orange. So we've now had 5 and 2 pinks, so 7. And then we've done, was it 4 the first time orange? Yeah.
Yeah.
4 and 2, so 6. Right, okay, it's ready to go. So let's see what we've got to do with your hair. It says on here to shampoo your hair well and towel dry, but you can also just wet it. So let's just spray it down and wet it. Yeah. And then it says brush to untangle. We'll put a towel around you. It says to wear a towel around your shoulders to protect your clothes and place your hair over it.
Yeah.
Wear gloves, don't forget to keep them on whilst rinsing. And it's a good idea to do a strand test before colouring your hair to make sure you like the colour. Okay, so let's start by doing your little patch test behind your ear. So I'm just literally going to put a bit of my finger and put it behind your ear.
Okay. Wait, let me turn it.
This feels so weird.
How long are you leaving that on for?
We'll leave that on for 20 minutes and see if it's all right.
Okay.
Right, okay, we'll wipe that off. I think it all looks fine. I know box dyes always tell you to do patch tests, so it's always good to test it out just in case you've got sensitive skin. Right, so put the towel around you. Now we're going to wet your hair and get started. We've just sprayed it all down, brushed it through to make sure it's not knotty, and then I'm going to put my gloves on. Okay, so I'm just going to clip up sections to start off with, and I'll start with the underneath, make sure it's all covered. It's so nice to work with because it's so conditionery. It's going to make your hair feel so soft. So you've actually got really thick hair, even though it's not that long. We've still got so much product left and we've done nearly all your hair. I literally love the colour already. It's such a nice peachy colour. All right, we'll leave it on for 10 minutes and then we'll check it, see what it looks like and rinse it off. Okay, so the 10 minutes are up and it looks amazing. The colour's really taken. So let's get it dry and see what it looks like. I'm actually so impressed. I love how it's taken. I love the pink and the peach in together.
And considering I haven't dyed it in 6 months, it's taken so well. I love that it's like two-tonal. I think next time I would go a bit more daring though and go a bit brighter.
And go a bit darker.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, I think it'll look amazing.
We can always try it quite soon as well. We've got so much of the product left.
Yeah, literally try it straight away. Thank you all for watching. I hope you can all see how easy it is to use this product. And the best thing about it is you can use it so many times, so it's saving so many single-use plastic bottles. And you can create like so many different shades. So we've gone really light with Alice's, but I think next time we're going to go quite darker and add more drops in to make it quite bold. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe so you can see more of this and more of me.